Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day, a fantastic day indeed. We're also streaming on YouTube if you didn't know. Let's just do a sound check on the Discord. Sound check. Tell GC to dump for me. That would be nice, right? Loud and clear. There we go. Good morning, Hootie Hoo. Good morning, Scar. Good morning, Jiggy. Samar. Q. Arquanti. Flash Bandit. Sammy. Freddy G. Empadatu. That name almost gave me a seizure. Gus Trades. Ishmael. Ricardo. Guys, we're here, man. We are here. What do we think for the day? We have 5 minutes until a beautiful market open. We already sold our first trade. If you take, let me get my screens up. I'm sorry, Discord. I'm sorry. My camera's not up because it is up on YouTube. Screens are up. Let's change this back to gold. We have the VIX on my other screen. Get our key levels going for this time frame. There we go. All right, everybody. Another day. But yeah, man, supply. I tried to tag below this red line, but they got me. I was sleeping during here. I guess that's when the take profit should have been added, right? That's the only time. When we're sleeping. Jay, good morning. Andrew, good morning. What's going on today, guys? Oh, a lot more. Hector, what's going on? Gancho. JP, where the hell is JP at? I see him typing. What's going on? Void is with us. Void, how are you doing? Let me on stage because I can't. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how Chris does that, JP. I don't have my, I have my headset. I won't even be able to hear you. Oh, there. Void knows how to do it. Void knows how to do it. Mr. Official. Beautiful. It is a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful. Who's with us today? 118 so far. 119. 120 in the Discord. What do we got? We have 21 in the YouTube. We're still waiting. We got a few more minutes until the opening bell. Yesterday, this is what I was saying in the main chat room, everybody. What Trump was saying about peace in the Middle East. I know people were looking for a gold long. Now, back to what JP, what you were saying about the government shutdown. Because yeah, I mean, if there's gonna be a government shutdown, clearly gold's gonna have a little bit of run-ups. But it's only our government, right? With that being said, if there really is peace in the Middle East, I mean, war thrives on what, people? What does war thrive? What is gold? Not war. What does gold thrive on? Anybody want to take a little guesses at what gold thrives on? Fear, I guess. War, yeah. War, uncertainty. And with that being said, if there's peace announcements, wouldn't you think gold would have some sort of pullbacks? Jiggy goes genocide. He's not lying. He's not lying. Hi there. It's my first time. Oh, welcome in, Emmanuel, on the YouTubes. If you had to start over with 500, would you still trade gold and Nasdaq? Yeah, I would trade minis. I would trade gold if it's minis starting at first. If you couldn't really afford much, but yeah. Maybe not Nasdaq. You wouldn't be able to afford Nasdaq with 500, even on minis, right? I'm pretty sure.
You can. I traded some minis on Nasdaq.
With just 500? Okay. Then don't correct. Then YouTube, we have been corrected. You can trade Nasdaq minis with 500. But yeah, that's what I would trade. If there's other assets too. I mean, if I really had, I would stick with gold, silver, crude oil, platinum. That's what I would stick with. That's what if I only had $500 and I had to double that, those are the assets I would focus on. Marcus, okay. What is this? Alaskan Airlines. You know, my wife was looking at houses in Alaska. I was like, what the fuck is in Alaska? I guess, with the tax purposes, that's why we're looking at areas that don't have a state. Yeah, exactly, Flash. You look, Flash knows, zero capital gains. If not there, I was looking at Nevada. Fucking depression. Bro, Alaska is beautiful. Some parts of Alaska are beautiful. Russia wants Alaska. Yeah, we're going to see warplanes flying back and forth every day if we move over there, right? Go to PR. I don't think I like the heat fucking like that, dude. I'm always in hot. I just can't. I love the heat, but constant heat, I can't take it. I was born in fucking December. I'm a Christmas baby. I love hoodies. All right, everybody, the market is open. We have a gap down on Microsoft. We have a gap up on Apple, gap up on Nvidia, no gap on Tesla. We have the dollar at a main pivotal area. We're right now below that Asian open. And we're in a pivotal range between 97.9 and, well, yeah, it's still 97.9. Very close range. The VIX with a gap up in the pre. And we are still at a very pivotal range, that top range around 16.6. So, guys, what would I kind of wait for? What would I want to see? What am I going to want to wait for? What am I going to want to see, everybody, in the Discord? I am going to want to see the VIX do what? Before I can start thinking of ideas. Come back here. I will put the VIX here while we explain and do our analysis on NASDAQ. Exactly. So I would want to wait for price to either come back to the gap zone or show signs that it's breaking above this range and tagging the liquidity around this zone, right? So I would have to wait for either or. Right now, if I'm going to take any trading decisions with the NASDAQ, look at the 4 hour. We really don't have any much areas to target. We only have this zone to target to the upside, and we have nothing but areas to target on the downside. This being said, also with the government shutdown, would expect to have some pullbacks on the NASDAQ as well. But again, I would like to see if this area can fill this gap, or if it's going to reject the gap and continue going up. If the VIX is going to continuously go up from this pivotal range, again, I would want what? I would look for short positions. I would look for shorts. Now, if it's going to fill gap and continue to go down, the NASDAQ would probably create a new high. Capiche? Very simple thinking. We don't need to go thinking too hard about that. I'm going to... Well, to say, oh, look at Microsoft. Microsoft is having extreme selling pressure below the gap, while Apple's buying heavy, and Vita's staying by supply for the time being. This is how I can spot the manipulation, where we have majority of the Mag 7 buying, and then one of them is just selling off. When I see things like this, I know there's going to be an impulse move. Yo, are you really using trend lines, Thai Guru? I'm so what the hell? Go back to Tory Trades. Thai Guru. I use it all. Alright, Pokemon. Alright, Pokemon. Take it easy. he's gotta catch them all. Take it easy. Alright, leave him alone. He cooks. Saki cooks. Clearly he don't cook if he's using trend lines. What? He uses it all. That's not cooking. That's not cooking. He's using it all. I don't use anything. That's not. I'm just joking, Ricardo. I would never use an FVG. Don't come at me. YouTube. I don't use FVGs. I don't use FVGs. All right, Nasdaq is back to a pivotal area on a 15. Lower liquidity would be below here and above this zone. Let's see what price does when we reach this area on the 1 hour as well. Well, the 4 hour. Let's get this to a 1 hour. I don't need to look at the 4 right now. Nice selling. At that red line, yep. Back here. I just don't like how we have a lower point here, JP. We created it with, because if we're gonna draw trend lines, Thai Guru, we're gonna draw trend lines. We created a lower point. So is this the high point at our all-time high, 25? I don't know. We'll have to see. Nvidia just sold off. Apple still holding at supply. This is why, guys, you see the selling pressure on your NASDAQ? Look at your MAG 7. It's selling. Yep, with the VIX flipping and your MAG 7. I mean, what else are you really looking at? Now, again, it's 9:34. I really don't like to hold trades or be in trades at this time. I always like to wait for 10 a.m. for that shift of structure, that first 4 a.m. candle closing. First 4 a.m. Did you hear me? What do you mean 4 a.m.? The 4-hour candle closing. Wow, look at Nvidia. Just really bought back up all of what it just sold out. Microsoft is gaining some buying pressure here. We are near our red line zone, so this is our magnetic area. This is where we can wait for the break. Once we break, what it looks like it already has, right? There's a wick included in there. But once we break through major levels, we wait for retests, and then we go in following whatever bias we may have, right? So if there's going to be... Well, this is where it's tricky now, JP, because we have the government shutdown, but at the same time, we have peace. Or is it just a show? It's probably just a show. Get us all thinking.
He wasn't scheduled to speak again today, but now he is. So,
What time's Trump speaking?
I believe it was like 10 a.m. my time.
I'm going to pull up the economic calendar real quick so we can look at what's on the agenda for today. I did not do that. I'm going to do that. Australia had RBA interest rates today. They had that at 12:30 a.m. in the morning.
No, he speaks at 8 a.m. So my time. It just changed. So just speak in about an hour and a half.
France has inflation rate. Italy has inflation rate. Where the hell is America? Here, you guys hear me? Where's America? Only red event I see is the Jolt job openings at 10 o'clock. So that's at the 10 o'clock shift of structure.
Set your calendar. It'll be 2 things after that. It'll be at 8 a.m.
Wait, what's at 8 a.m.?
There. And they put it on there.
What, Jolts or Trump?
Go Trump. It wasn't on there last night, but now it is.
I don't follow. I just reloaded it, so it should be showing up. Whatever. So Trump speaking at some point, so to call some fuckery. We have Jolt's job opening. We do have a bunch of other news. Quarterly grain stocks, soy and wheat and corn. Yo, corn and soybeans. Apparently, I keep seeing news, and I live in Indiana, right? Currently. No, China is not buying our corn and our soybeans. At all. Whatsoever. And farmers are bugging the fuck out about it. Is this real news? I think I need to find out if this is real news or not. China is not buying Indiana's corn or soybeans.
Well, that means that they're not buying Illinois or Iowa's either.
And farmers are throwing out their produce. Shit's getting bad, dude, on the farming side.
Doesn't sound right because if people weren't buying it up, farmers like cattle farmers and shit would still want to buy it.
Well, yeah, but how many other farmers, how much can you really sell to another cattle farm? It doesn't need your whole produce. But I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
That should always be. I don't know.
I just still don't know if this is true or real news. I have to do more research. But this is what I keep here in my Indiana town forums. Yeah, this is town news. Like, Ziggy, what's going on from YouTube? Welcome in. All right, yeah, everything's looking sweet. 10 o'clock, we got 21 minutes, people. So we're going to be staying a little patient. The fact that we're getting some selling pressure off gives us a little bit of a breathing room. Maybe we can catch a nice little entry off a pullback. What are we thinking, JP? If we can have this... Yeah, I tell you, yeah, bro. It's real news. Yep. Everyone on YouTube, we're having a discussion right now, me and one of my members, about the news we're talking about. Yeah, JP, that's fucked.
That's what. So they're buying it all from Brazil now.
Exactly. They're going to go through other countries. Just, you know, like with Russia, too, it should be scary. I don't really want to talk about the politics here, but we've completely cut them off, and now they're completely self sufficient. And if now China and other countries are going to stop buying our produce, they're pushing us to the back ends of the world. That's fucked. You really think about the bigger picture here, you know? Now, again, I've never lived through times like this, so I can't give you a prediction on what the fuck I think is going to happen. No one has, so it's grab your popcorn and strap in, because I don't know, man. Microsoft is melting, melting because you guys loved.
I gotta say something. My boy out here
What?
from PA.
Okay.
Born and raised East PA. He said something yesterday, and I was like, you know, I think it is an accent.
It is, bro.
We got a boy named Mario. He said Mario.
I say Mario all the time, bro. I'm from Jersey, bro. I was born in Jersey, raised in New York. I got a little bit. Everyone tells me I have an accent. Everyone.
Mario, and I was like, what?
Mario or Mario?
World. And I was like, all right, I'm just gonna hold this.
Ziggy says Facebook is also melting. It's funny, as shut up, bro. I hate you, bro. I can't, bro. I can't fix it. I'm sorry. Microsoft is buying at lower end of demand. Apple's now buying. Nvidia just is coming back to those pre-market high levels, and Tesla is now buying. Now, JP, do we dare grab an early entry? I don't want to do it because we're on YouTube, but when I start, I'm just giving an example. So if we see the VIX, look, the VIX is now continuously selling off, right? When the VIX is down, I would like to look for a long position, and even better because we're at our red line, our major supply, demand, support or resistance, liquidity zone, order block zone. I don't care. You can call it whatever you want because it's all the same stuff. All I need to see is buying and or selling at supply and our demand on your Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, Meta, right? Mainly your Mag 7. I don't really give a fuck about other, unless they have earnings in the day. And then the VIX, that's all I really need to see. And our candle closings. So the fact that we've had some selling pressure and we came back down to an area of liquidity, right? Because look, below this pivot right here would be liquidity, right? Above here would be liquidity. Above there would be liquidity. It's all right. We came back to a major area of liquidity. Below here, right? A magnetic area. So the catalyst for the next move, I'm not going to be waiting for. I mean, some people just need to see a pattern, and that's not wrong. It's no right or wrong. Did you make money or did you not make money? That's all I care about. I'm going to follow what's moving the NASDAQ, because again, what is the NASDAQ? If you did not know, the NASDAQ is the top 100 companies. So why am I going to focus on anything other than that? Somebody might have tried to sell you a course on something. That's probably what. But again, in 16 minutes from now, everybody, I'm going to be looking for a long position. The one thing that does not align with my way of thinking is that this has created a lower point. This is the one thing that's causing fear within my wanting a long position. Does that make sense? My nose is dripping today. But I'm happy though. At least the VIX is doing what we anticipated. We had we had a scenario for down and a scenario for up. We can make decisions once we see which way has been chosen, which direction has been picked. Now it's the boring time. We have 15 minutes until this hour candle closing. Now again, guys, we can enter now. I really want to enter now because Nvidia is flying. Microsoft is flying. But sometimes it could be a fake out. As soon as that hour candle changes, we could see another push down, right? So again, I mean, if yeah, if you already entered at the break below the red line, you would be up, right? Currently, you would be up. You see it coming back. I just would like to. That's my other piece of confirmation. Sometimes I enter early, but I've done this live many times. So you see, we either have instant drawdown or instant profits. There's no in between. There's no in between. Being so close to a change of candle, or not our change of structure per se, at that 4-hour candle close. Gold's climbing up again. I know you guys were talking about those gold longs in the pre-market.
Yeah, last night they were I called them all at 87,
Dude, the price action on Nvidia would scare anybody. That fast selling and came right back up. Engulfed it bearishly and bullishly. People are getting destroyed, and the market barely even moved yet. This is why staying patient really helps. Staying patient really we have 13 minutes left. 13 minutes left until this shift of structure. My bias could also change if I see some hard, this is why I like to wait. You could have scalped that too, though. Realistically, if you were scalping, you could have already been out.
Oh yeah, you would have been up big.
181 people in the Discord. What's going on, everybody? Yep, we got Jolt's data at 10 a.m. too, Kyle. Yes, we do. You guys scalp the open M trades. Oh, guys, you guys are toxic. You guys are toxic. Gamblers. Professional gamblers. Anyone scalping market open, I think is good. I mean, the days you make money, you're going to be happy. On the days you lose money, you're going to be fucking pissed. Right? I feel like it's 50, yeah, it's 50-50 at that market open. It's 50. You can make good money as long as you're on the right side, but that's the thing. It's 50-50 getting on that right side at market open. We don't really there's not really any direction. Gap has been filled. You see the buying pressure? Not really filled. It just touched wicks. It's just pivoting at wicks. Body points broke at this area. This area.
That green candle touches the body.
What are you talking? This one right here? Yeah. Oh, let me see. No, it didn't. You're talking right here? No, it didn't.
It touched it.
No, it didn't.
This body touched that weight, touched that body.
What time frame are you on?
5 minutes.
Oh, I'm on the 15. 15. Getty Greens on YouTube. See, look, he's a real supporter. Getty Greens on the Discord and the YouTube. That's a real friend right there. Everyone else is fake. That Nvidia's going, man. Nvidia is flying. Tech says, all right, Tuesday, let's make some more money. Tuesday, let's make some more money. Bro, my body's so sore, guys. I need to force myself to take a rest day. I just can't take a rest day. I don't know what's going on. I just get so bored. I genuinely, bro, I live in Bumblefuck, Indiana. If I want to have fun, I got to drive at least an hour in any fucking direction. Bro, I just work out. I just work out. And I switched my workouts, but I just haven't taken a rest day. So and then I do cardio. And now I'm trying to push cardio more, but bro, my shoulders are hurting. My fucking shoulders from doing them hooks all day long to Bob. Where's Bob? You see Bob? No, you don't see Bob. Man, I'm sore. I'm sore. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, that's how my buddy said to do that too, for the back pressure too. Bro, if you don't have a punching Bob as a trader, Or at least a punching bag. You're not doing it right. You got to get a punching bag. You better watch out, bro. She's waiting for the next time for you to raise your voice at her, bro. She go fuck. She go fuck you up, man. You better not. How can I join your live trade? I've sent a DM. I don't really answer DMs. I have too many to answer. The link is in my bio on Facebook. Meta is also melting. Look now all tech is hitting supply. Nvidia and not all tech. Nvidia and Apple are selling right now, and we have 9 minutes till this candle close. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, patience. I'm already up pretty big from my yesterday's entry. Anyone hold that with me or no? It was getting scary. It was getting scary. I didn't take a full 15. I took 13.5. But it's still. I went to sleep so early, bro. I'm really getting close to 30. Sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes you just have to do that. It's gotta be it. It's gotta be about. You gotta be about your business. Mando, my message on Instagram. Oh shit, hell yeah, man. Double down. You better double down. What sauce? I mean, that's what it takes. If I'm gonna be honest, guys, we can keep our wrists so safe and so tight, and then there's gonna come a point to your journey where it's no different than a 9 to 5 job, right? Or at least you're free with timing. But most people want to get to that next level. I mean, you're not gonna get there with a 50K account and 1 to 3 lots. I'm just being honest. It's gonna take risk. Now, what I just said is toxic for a beginner's ears. If you haven't proved to yourself that you have some sort of intuition or second-hand nature with the asset that you decide to choose, then your risk should be a little tighter. That's just common sense. That's just common sense. 7 minutes, people. 7 more minutes. Yeah, once you it's gonna take risk. I'm sorry to say, but it's gonna take risk, and we can keep our risk so tight for so long. But you'll figure out within your journey. You will probably get to that point, and you'll understand. And you'll understand. Katie Green is going to New York. You're going to New York on Thursday. Oh shit. Oh snap. Get me a bacon, egg, and cheese and some pizza. Get me a bacon, egg, and cheese and some pizza. No problem. Mando. Who's Mando? I think I know who you are. Oh, yeah. I see the profile pic. No problem, dude. You really seem like a famous character. I don't know what it is about you, but just keep doing it. Mr. Mando. 8OD. This guy's funny. This guy is funny. Energy. It's this right here. Just drink this. I'm telling you, man. This is fire. Pre-workout. Oh, shit. I almost just broke my keyboard. Probably almost entered a buy by accident. Almost entered a buy. What time? We got 6 minutes left, people. I know everyone on YouTube is like, is he going to take the entry yet? I'm so bored. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. This is real trading. Trading isn't in and out of trades 50 million times. It's really not fun, to be honest. It's boring. It's really not fun. It's really not fun. Oh yeah. It's only fun when we make it fun during the community, because we're all sitting here bored watching things go up and down, having fear or enjoyment. So at least I got you guys to talk to while I sit here watching paint dry, right? That's the fun part. It does. Good morning, Bandit Blitz. How you doing? Only beginners are forcing trades. Yes, I like how you said that. That's a fact. Only beginners feel the need to force trades. I mean, I don't feel. I'm already up $13,000 in this morning. So I mean, I shouldn't even be trading right now. I'm already over trading. Yeah, it's melting. Well, look, don't look at NASDAQ. Look at your Mag 7, dude. Look what's going on. Why are you following Nvidia? Sold off fast. Apple, Tesla, every asset started selling. At that, we got 4 minutes left before we make our decision. Now I'm so mad I sold my short. Look at that. It broke below. It broke the it broke below my target. What was my target was 720, I believe. That's what I said yesterday in the main chat room. 720 was my target. And now I'm just mad. That's toxic thinking. Don't be mad. Only a trader gets mad when they make money. Only a trader. I'm telling you, only a trader. And still mad. It's like, oh, I could have made coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. It's the most it makes you revenge trade, makes you overtrade. It makes you make dumb decisions. That's what I'm seeing. Well, I mean, if it's not going to break through and come back to this zone, it's going to tag upper liquidity. But then look at the VIX too. So trying to give technical analysis on the VIX is stupid. Just so you're aware. I just use it as a guide to see where price has been and try to find pivot points. But you know, look at it. What are you talking about? It's terrifying. It's terrifying. Is he really? No, he's not. Void, you're going to have to give us the rundown. If he's speaking right now, I see pumps. There's pumps happening. Nvidia's buying. Apple's buying. Tesla's buying. We have 3 minutes left. Yeah, I hear it. Thank you. I hear it. I'm doing good, Bandit Bits. I can't complain. Oh, thank you, Getty Green. We're trying, man. Canada. Yo, just join my country. Become the 51. Is he talking about Canada? All of Canada? Yo, that's wild. That's wild. Trump is funny, man. Trump is funny. Biden didn't have $1 trillion. Tell him to stop talking bad about other. Look, successful people they talk about ideas. Toxic people talk about other people. Trump is toxic as fuck. Money. He's about to redraw maps. That's crazy. Trump put 100% tariffs on movies made outside of the United States. Hi. What's up? I'm streaming on 2 platforms. Be careful. Don't show him your naked body. The wife came in here, and all she's wearing is a bra. We need some candlestick erections, not other ones. 1 minute. I see extreme buying on tech. Bandit Blitz goes, it would be something nice to see. That's funny, man. And that's on YouTube. That's not even the Discord. That's on YouTube. Will they really go? I don't really know much about the rating systems on YouTube. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Consistency. That's all we can do. That's all we can do is be 30 seconds. The Mag 7 is buying. Oh, no, my wife. Oh, my wife. Well, thanks, man. Do I need to come out here with a Speedo? I guess I need to come to trading. What?
What?
I guess I need to come to trading with a Speedo.
Oh wow.
They said my ratings would have went up if you came out here with in a bra.
Oh, let me joke.
They probably would, because she's got a beautiful pair.
Oh my god. I can't.
Yeah, what is Trump talking about? What is this guy talking about?
He's talking about
All right. Hour change. Hour change. I'm going to go in. Long position on the NASDAQ. All I need is tech to continue with its buying pressure and the VIX to fall down. If that can occur, we should be able to make some decent money. Yeah, now I came back to the gap. That's what we want. That's what we kind of want. But NASDAQ is falling right now. It's following Nvidia's pressure. Flying a tanker? No, not at all. But I mean, at the same, war makes money. You got to keep in mind. War makes money. All right, for the ones that on YouTube are, well, Discord, first of all, where would stops be placed in our trade? And then YouTube, where would I place stops? Let's just take a guess. Recapping the Iran. Oh, okay, that's what he's talking. I was like, what the hell is this guy talking about? I feel like he's just talking a bunch of nonsense. Well, I always follow pivots. I would not, I mean, if we break below here, right? This would be my first sign to get out. I don't really want to break below this area. Increase pay for military. Oh, so all the money we're going to make everywhere else? No stops. Adriana? Oh, damn, Adriana. I was like, Adriana, yo, everyone see what she just said? No stops, go short. And then she goes, JK. You trying to, look, she really tries to make me liquidity every day. I thought we were friends. You know I love you, Adriana. You know I love you, Adriana. She knows I love her. Did you see what I said in the main chat room? You're the only one I shouted out that joined the ranks of making me liquidity. Only you, Adriana. I don't think anyone else on the server has done it consecutively. Because you've done it more than once. You know, I think there's one other person that's done it once or twice, but Adriana has made me liquidity multiple times. Low-key homie, if it's you I'm waiting years. No, I'm joking. I'm joking, low-key. I'm joking. I love you, Adam. How you doing, Adam? Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in on the YouTube. We have fun, right? I am not a corporate guy at all. I'm just me. I am just me. Yeah, he's not really saying nothing. Well, thank you. I have, you know, it's mixed at the moment, Adriana, because like the fear of government shutdown, and then we have peace. We have talks of peace. So it's like 50-50 on the grand scheme of life. But yes, Nvidia is flying. I'm being honest though. I mean, because a lot of my thinking comes down with what the noise is around me, right? And the noise is 50-50. Can we all agree on this? If Trump's going to come here and talk about peace in the Middle East, and then, but within our country, Republicans and Democrats can't fucking shake hands on anything. There's so much, where are the Epstein files? Give them to me. Give them to me, you goddamn Republicans. I'm not a Democrat nor a Republican. I feel like I'm more of an independent. I'll switch sides. I'm a lane switcher. You ever switch lanes? Yeah. You ever bandwagon? Damn, bro. I guess. Fuck. That's enough. Nah. I mean, I guess not. So I'm not independent because I don't follow nothing. I follow what I think. Right? I have my own thinking. I think with my own brain. Damn, bro, this guy got me good, bro. He got me good. He got me good. I guess no. I guess I'm not. Whatever the fuck. Me and my wife were having a convo about this. Because we were like, well, what states would we want to live in? A red state, a blue state? And I was like, I don't care about neither of them. I don't give a shit about neither of them. Sock is a blue hair. You're calling me... Yes. Exactly. That's why I myself am 50-50, JP. It's hard. It's hard. Oh, my God. NASDAQ. That's Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Wow. They did me dirty, man. We're coming back. We're coming close to stop out area. Strictly following Nvidia. Look at that selling pressure. That's amazing. It sucks that I'm in it, but it's a crazy price action. You know? Come on, Nvidia. Keep holding us up. That would be very sweet. If it doesn't hold up, I'm sorry, people. We're gonna melt. Don't you dare correct me. Don't you dare correct me. Don't you dare correct those words. YouTube, how's the graphics? I think I have to work on the graphics. You can be honest. If it's shitty, tell me, because I need to work on that. Oh my God. Okay, thank you for the answer, honestly. Broke stop losses! Broke stops. They got me dirty. I'll give it 2 more minutes. Nope, we're out. I'll wait. We'll wait, see if there's another bounce after a break. If it bounces back below, one more time, I'm out. If it bounces back below, I'm out. Man, they gotta stop me, man. The big market makers are like, Socrates is here now he's on YouTube. We need to stop him out. He's doing too much. That's what they're saying, JP. Sock's out here now he's on YouTube. We need to stop him out. He's doing too much. It's not fun. You gotta get you an overlay. You're gonna have to explain to me what the overlay is. You gotta let me know what the overlay is, man. I'm about to be 30 years old. I don't know what this young tech stuff is. So it tagged that lower liquidity pivot. It tagged that fucking liquidity zone again. It tagged it again. Because underneath every pivot is liquidity. Or I guess resting orders, you should say, right? That's the same thing. Come on, Nvidia, don't give us these immaculate, beautiful pre-market pumps just for us to dump. That's some stuff. That's some stuff. He goes, we're gonna have to. I mean, I'm still up from this morning. I know you guys watching now. Like I'm not up. I just joined your stream, Socrates. How dare you still tell us you're up? You know, I'm sorry. This short play I got yesterday morning and held. You know what I'm saying? So you can say all you want. You can say all you want. Freddy G's like, I hate this guy today. Freddy G's, I hate Socrates today. He's like, I just don't like this guy. He is not no trading mentor. He doesn't have it in the bag. God damn, we're staying below. Yo, drinking pre-workout and watching negatives trades is wild. I don't recommend it for anybody. I don't recommend it to anybody. Yeah, going into Chicago. They're about to stop me out. I'm out. I'm stopped out. I don't want to hold that any longer. We'll look for a re-entry if we see some flips. I'm seeing Too Strong is selling right now. Too Strong. Wow, watch it bounce back here. I'm done trading if that's the case.
Melting off like I mean Dixie's melting off, so go oh my god, I should have took that long. Wow.
I just should have held my goddamn short from this morning.
Yes, you should have. Wow, that goal bombs.
It's okay. That's 2 losses recorded for YouTube, though, in a row. Oh my god.
Smiling.
I mean, I'm still up on the day. I'm just down during the stream. You know, I'm still up over 10K. I'm okay. I'm still up over 10K.
I think gold's just gonna go. I really do.
They said don't bring the military into the Chicago. I mean, realistically, what are a bunch of gangbangers gonna do to the military men? Absolutely nothing. It's funny that they think they can. They ain't gonna do a shit. It's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be ugly. You know what I'm saying? It's not like back in the day where it's the mob and mafia. Like, and there's no. Maybe if there was militias, I would think, well, okay, maybe Chicago has a chance if they have a lot of militias. But I think it's just a bunch of uneducated gangbangers talking. I'm sorry. That's just my. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm sorry to say that. Not that I agree with what the military is doing and with what's happening. I don't agree with it, but yeah, exactly. You're gonna go against trained people. They will missile strike O Block. That's funny. O Block's getting it, man. That's funny. That's funny, man. That's funny stuff. That's funny stuff. Yeah, every stream is recorded. Everything should be recorded. For YouTube. I'm not recording anymore. I'm not going to be editing these. These are just raw trading. This is just my raw trading. Nothing edited. No, nothing special. No, nothing. I win. I lose. Again, this is your guys' time to ask questions. I mean, if I'm winning, I'm losing. I'm still up on the day, so you might see a loss. I'm still up on the day. I'll look for one more trade in the day with you people, and then I'll end my live trading day. And I can't work out today. I need to take a rest day, but I'm drinking pre-workout, so I'm probably just gonna run. I'm probably just gonna run. Joy, what indicators? I'm using key levels and supply and demand. Yeah, we're having some impulsive, and we're having real impulsive ups and downs on the Mag 7. Like right now, Nvidia is back to pumping again. Tesla, Apple, Microsoft are back to pumping. Well, all tech is currently having problems, are creating areas of resistance around its area. It's around support. If we can stay here, I just need to see some more pressure. I just need to see some selling pressure. Oh, there we go. Selling pressure. I see the buying on Nvidia. I'm gonna go. I'm back in. I'm back in on a long position. Same case scenario as before. This will be my last trade of the day as well, people. I got things to do. Let's see if I'm fighting the trend, and I should not fight it. City View says sell only NQ. That's what he's saying. He's saying sells only on NASDAQ. I mean, I'm following the Mag 7 at the moment. I see pressure to the upside. I see buying. But it keeps getting, every bought is getting sold and every sell is getting bought. Jump rope. I have a jump rope. I jump rope. Do you think I don't jump rope? I do cardio like crazy. I'm going ham, guys. Just so you know. Boxing is even better than jogging. If in my I sweat way more when I'm boxing than I do when I'm jogging. Come on, and Vita, what are you doing to me? Just have me push above this area of supply, Nvita. That would be ever so sweet. Give me that. Apple follow. VIX fall. Let's do it again. You see, this happened before and I didn't take profits. I could have sniped that off that first trade. So, I mean, I guess we could have... Yeah, I pay for live data on TradingView. You kind of have to if you're going to be using the system I use. Because I have multiple screens, the ones on YouTube. I have my one monitor that's showing me the Mag 7. I have the other monitor showing me the dollar and the VIX. And then I have my other screen with my information. I have my OBS for YouTube streaming and my Discord. And then I have this screen up where I actually monitor or take my trades on. So, no, I don't. Now that I'm streaming on YouTube now. No, I'm dead serious. Now that I'm streaming on YouTube, I need one screen just for OBS. Because this stuff, it's complicated, guys. This stuff is complicated. If you guys were in the stream yesterday in the lifetime chat listening to how long it took me, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Chris had to baby step me through the entire thing. I don't know what I was doing. This OBS setup, this thing is... So I can't even find out how to have my camera show on Discord at the same time. At the same time as I'm up on YouTube. So just give me time. And we will master it soon, people. We will master it soon. We will master it soon. We need to break the zone, man. If I can't break here, dude, I'm fucked. If I can't break here, I'm fucked. No, I just lost 4,000. I don't know how much I lost. No, I think it was 38. I'm not paying attention. I just want to tag right back above here to give me this liquidity, bro. That's all I want. I don't think that's being too greedy. I don't think that's being too greedy. We're up. We're down. No, TradingView is not the broker. Tradeovate is the broker. Tradeovate is the broker. My trading journey started with stocks and then stocks from options, and I was trading options. I was on Webull. And then one of my buddies was on TradingView because he was creating indicators or something. This was a while ago. And so I got on to trading. I just like it. I don't know why. It's just visually pleasing. It's just use of preference. It was beginner friendly, user friendly. There is not one better than the next. It's just preference of use. You know what I'm saying? It's really just preference of use. Somebody might tell you one is better than the next. It's just preference of use. Come on, bro. This is like edging me, man. This is completely edging me. This is not a nice day. Not a nice day for NASDAQ. It's doing it so slowly for me. We stayed patient. I guess it's a scalp day. We could have just scalped it. But no, I mean, with what I did with this trade, I mean, I'm really trying to practice holding my trades personally a bit longer myself. So I'm gonna go through I'm gonna go from profit to loss to loss to profit, and I need to be more comfortable with that. If I have my bias, I have my levels what I can afford to lose. Why am I trading scared then? You know what I'm saying? It's why it's exactly exactly. So I'm gonna have my way of thinking. This will be my second trade of the day. If it doesn't work out, I'm done trading. That's okay. I'll come in tomorrow. I'll come in tomorrow, and I will try the same thing again tomorrow. And guess what? It might work tomorrow.
But for all the people listening talking all that smack about how stock doesn't use stop losses, well, I stopped using stop losses and TPs when I probably about a week, maybe 2 weeks into the community, and have not been more profitable ever in my trading career.
Yeah, it's. I might say.
No stop losses. No, now don't get me wrong. If you're in an eval, you gotta protect your account. But that doesn't mean protect each trade. That means protect the account.
Yeah, he's bro, but he turned 500 into 10,000. He's allowed to gloat. Quanti, did you do that yet? You know what I'm saying? Are you still looking? Are you still looking for FVGs? He's probably looking for FVGs still.
We all keep using this term glade.
Your mic just went completely dead, bro. We don't like glazed donuts. I like chocolate donuts. JP's mic broken. JP's mic, fucking Ricardo does. Oh man. Bro, he's just joking around. Quanti was just joking, guys. Leave him be. I know Quanti was joking. Leave him be. Let him live. Let him live. Yo, the Discord community, guys, goes hard. They protect each other.
Look at where your market's going, but you gotta just say fuck it and accept what you were going into and accept your loss and just be good. It works. It works. I can't say anything other than that. That it fucking works. Sorry for my
They shouldn't be able to hear you on YouTube, I don't think, because I got my headset on. I got the headset on. I got the headset on.
Look at these fuckers all good. You know, I don't give a fuck. I'll ride for stock. He's helping me feed my family. I got scammed by a fucking scammer for $5,000 trying to teach me Orb, and stock's out here teaching me legit strategy and legit mind control. And
I love you, JP. I appreciate you.
I appreciate you too. And all these fuckers talking about glazing. Like, yeah, it's good. You can say all you want to say, but I ride for the one who helped me feed my family.
Hell yeah, that's how it should be, man. That's how it should be. It's okay, people. JP, these people weren't raised right.
They're just jealous that we.
They're just, I can't say that on YouTube. I was about to say something funny. I can't say, I can't say that. I have to stop myself. Sorry, YouTube. You're gonna have to turn on the Discord to hear what I was about to say. Because I get crazy, man. I get crazy with the things I say. I don't think YouTube would allow that. I don't think YouTube would allow that. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Man, I'm getting edged. I'm getting edged. I'm getting edged, guys. I'm getting edged. I'm getting edged. This is why Adriana is better than us all. She comes in here. I'm not even trading today, people. She's better than us all. That's retarded. You're still frozen with trading that? That's yeah. Realize. Yes, they do, Pancake.
For anything like crazy, they're like, oh, you have to answer these questions. Please don't upload any information. Just answer the question simply.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, the bank account that I use for my Discord and my business side, they want me to show proof of 1099s, W2s, business statements. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? This shit. No, it's because the IRS is trying to fuck me. Fuck, the IRS, man, is trying to get me. The IRS. I made mistakes with them, and I'm on a payment plan with them currently, but oh my god. You're gonna have to send me, because I'm trying to look for one. My wife's currently she's been looking for me. I need a CPA. Yeah, that sounds like a pretty legit. Yo, bad advice. Stop it. Are my screens frozen? No. No, my screens aren't frozen. They shouldn't be frozen. No, yeah, my face is not showing on Discord. You didn't hear what I said. I can't figure out how to allow it to show my face on YouTube and Discord at the same time. I have not been able to figure that out. I have not. Yo, I'm getting edge today. Today is just not a good day. Today it was a good day, and I'm turning it into a bad day. Oh, I guess this is what we could talk about over trading, right? The only reason I'm here trading right now is because I want to trade live with my community, and now with YouTube. I was already up 13 grand this morning. I did not need to trade. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Yeah, honestly, I'm blaming you guys. I'm blaming the watchers. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. But not really, Andrew D. It's all your fault, Andrew. It's literally all your fault. I could went to the park with my family today, but nope. I want to market me. I want to market me. And what does that mean? I could lose some more money. I told you, yo, the market's like, oh, Socrates wants to start streaming on YouTube now. Oh, okay. Okay, I got something up my sleeve for him. You know how NASDAQ does. NASDAQ is that girl that it's like she doesn't even look that good, but you can't get away from her. You know what I'm saying? It's that girl you just want to get with, and you don't even know why, but you just want to. And then it's like she's going to hurt your feelings, and then you're still going to go back. That's what NASDAQ is. I didn't know if you knew that, but now we're all aware of who NASDAQ and what NASDAQ really is. How many accounts? What? I'm not looking at gold right now. This is my my second trade on the day. It would be my third trade closing. And right now, this would be my second loss. I'm not looking at any other asset, my friend. Right now. What? All right, the VIX is not falling. Wow, as soon as I say the VIX is not falling, NASDAQ just pumps magically hard. That's hilarious. I can't win, man. I'm trying to give such short analysis today. I can't even give technical analysis on anything. Jolts, it's jolts. I guess keep in mind. I mean, jolts. When we trade on days of jobs, jolts jobs. This is what happens. Just food for thought. Figured I'd leave that out in the stream. Bad advice is the real homie. Wow, what did he do? Oh, good stuff. There we go. Don't help out Slap, though. Slap needs to get slapped a couple of times. That's how he's going to learn. I'm joking. 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 Oh no, yeah, dude. Our community is it's like people come here just to not even talk about trading. They come for other advice. Like, bro, I'm going through some life shit. I made friends with this person on Discord, man, and you know what I'm saying? It's more than just trading, and that's something that I didn't really think about. But it's kind of what I want. It's to feel like I want because I anti-market. I don't market the way everyone markets. I anti-market. And I think I'm gonna start making classes on this in the Discord about like what I do outside of trading, and I think it would be like good for the mindset. Might help you in trading too. You can hear JP on here. You guys can hear him on the YouTube. No, I mean that would be pretty cool if they did. I thought that they can't hear you at all because I got the. I'm swearing too. I need to remember. I keep forgetting. YouTube, please. I'll learn in like a week or two. Please don't kick me, YouTube. Please don't kick me, YouTube. I'm just a New Yorker living in Indiana. I'm gonna curse. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just in my DNA. Just in my DNA. I don't know if curse words are banned. Does anyone on YouTube know if I'm like allowed to curse? I definitely can't like be racist or say racist jokes. And I say racist jokes all the time. I'm not racist, but I'll be racist to you for the day. I don't know if they kick you for swearing. I'm really starting to kick. I'm not gonna test it. This guy wants me to test it. He goes, try it. I mean, I've been cursing this entire stream. I have not been kicked yet. It's got to be like racial slurs or things like that. I feel like that's definitely a thing. That has to definitely be a thing. I will not be kicked. Scrub a not Steve. I don't know, man. What did bad advice do? What did he do? What did he do? Bad advice. Change your name to good advice. Come on, do it. Do it. You won't. Do it. Do it. You won't. Change it, change your name to good advice. Because clearly you're giving good advice. You know? Tell him, man. It'll change. Subconsciously, you're gonna be like, yo, no way. I'm no longer giving bad advice. I am now good advice. Right? Okay. As long as if it has a sentimental meaning, then tell me to shut the fuck up. I can take. See, look, I just cursed again. I can't. I can't. I'm sorry, man. I can't. Every other word is fuck you. So I am sorry. That's how we say. That's how we say hello from New York. I don't know if you're from New York, but. Yo, George D. Now they're scaring me, man. I'm trying to not curse. I'm trying to. I'll get YouTube. I'll get it. Oh boy. Oh boy. And I don't know. I probably. Bro, I'm sitting here playing with money, right? It's a roll of hundreds. I forgot it was a roll of hundreds. I'm sitting here just ripping it. I'm sitting here ripping it. I'm fucking pissed, yo. This is at least $3,000. Fuck. You think I'm lying, bro? It's at least $3,000. I'm so... yeah, bro. I was that. Bro, I'm rolling it up. Like, look how tight I was rolling it up, bro. Look at these ones. Oh, only YouTube can see me. You guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just fucking sitting here ripping it, dude. I'm sitting here ripping it, yo. I was supposed to give that to my wife for something too. That's the only reason why it's out. Now I'm gonna have to tell. I am, bro. You don't know my wife. You don't know my wife, man. She'll fucking stab me and smile while she's doing it. This September has been nice. 11K so far. Mina, there we go. But you're representing PB Trading. That's kind of childish. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, it says private. No, it says PB. It says PB. Yeah, man, you're representing PB server. That kid's a kid. I need to know who his parents are. Cause when the fuck did 18-year-olds start becoming profitable traders? It baffles me. It baffles my mind. I mean, maybe he is trading. I never really did any research on anyone else to know. I really don't know his style or anything. No, I'm just joking, Mina. Don't ever take my. I'm just joking. We love you because she even said sorry. We love you, Mina. But represent the wise tag. Have some wisdom. Not peanut butter and jelly. Not peanut butter and jelly. No, he is funny though. He is funny. I just talk shit about everyone else because when I had like 10,000, 15,000 followers on Instagram, I messaged everyone, like PB, I messaged TJ, I messaged them all, and I said, hey, do you guys want to collaborate, maybe make a video with me? I was left on red, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. So I will be bigger and better than all of them. I swear to God, I will. Tory Trades ignored me. Big Daddy Max ignored me. And now I'm affiliated with the same people. I'm coming for their jobs.
Did Big Daddy Max ignored you, but yet he's gonna go ahead and like praise you and comment on your trading skills?
Yeah, bro. With growth, you grow by making collaborations. I think nobody wants to collaborate with me specifically because they're all bullshitting you. I'm sorry. I'll say that on YouTube. I'm sorry. That's just I've been doing this for about a decade. And why would I sit there and teach anything other than pivots and supply and demand? I really try to sit there and think about it. And I think it's because they want to keep you liquidity. Because if you keep thinking, you're never going to be profitable. I'm sorry to say that. And the ones that aren't selling courses, they're selling prop firms, or they're selling indicators. They're selling something. Me, I have a monetized community. And it's just for my mentoring. Is that toxic? Yeah. But guess what? I fucking like money. But I'm honest about this. I'm not going to sit here and try to bullshit you. I'm going to tell you how I'm fucking you. Right? That's business, right? I'm honest. The how I'm fucking you is you're just paying me for my time. I like money, and I'm honest about this. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't have any course, though. I have no course. I have no bullshit. I think it's real. Pretty real what I do. I think it's just pretty real. Yeah, ban them. What are they, better than me? Who's in Friends chat room?
Francisco and Lucid. They're just sitting in that shit.
Maybe they're lost. They could be lost. They could be lost. I would ban them.
Force them in here.
Bro, yeeting money. What, are you like 12? Who says yeeting anymore? Is that really a word?
I never heard.
You never heard the word eating? Good then, good. No, yeeting. Yeet. I'll pay $1,400 to 10x my return. Fuck away. What? Who's... See, that's... What? That's a joke. A joke, right? Please tell me we're joking, Black Flips. Please. Because there's people that spend like $5,000 and they get... And they end up losing all their money. If you took the 3K, you would have made my salary. Yeah, but my target, it's not at my target area. It's not at my... I'm still up on the day, man. I'm still up on the day. I'm still up. Ill lifetime, you know? Oh, I feel that. I'm just messing with you, Black Flip. Tech just does not want to make higher points. The VIX is flipping. We're just chopping. I mean, realistically, we're not really doing much. Oh, nope. I had to speak it. I had to open my mouth. I had to open my mouth. I just had to. I had to. My kids speak millennial. Yeah, the VIX is pumping back right up. Right back at the gap area, too. It's still just, it's edging. We're getting edged, man. I'm getting edged today. I'm just getting edged today. Yeah, like, I guess, in trading sense, you're like full porting, yeeting, yeeting, fooling. All right, all tech rejected. All tech rejected. This is some bullshit. Bullspit. These pre-market pumps on Nvidia are not enough to continue with the market. That's ridiculous. Let's check what Weeble's at. Let's see what the Weeble's at. Oh, well, I don't want you to see it. You know what I'm saying? That's why. What the hell? Yeah, we don't want him to hear. I'm joking. Ah, man, this is ridiculous. This is not good. I could have scalped 2 times, YouTube. And now it's still edging me. It's still edging me. I just really believe we have a pump. Well, yeah, I'm not. I guess I'm not a YouTube. Yeah, right. Ever since I've been on YouTube, Getty Green, it's me. It's YouTube. I'm not a YouTube trader. That's funny. It's ever since it's the 2 days on YouTube. I'm telling you, it's the market sees that I'm trying to branch out my teachings, and it's like we need to make them not look valid. 42. We had a total of 161. They're like, bye, this guy's ass. They didn't see the win before it. God damn. I'm still in profit, so that's all right. I'm not stressing. I'm not stressing. Drawdowns don't scare me. And that's the difference between a winning and a trader, is that if you can't afford to lose, you're going to be like, oh shit, I got to close the trade. Oh fuck, I got to add a stop loss. Ah. Until you can afford to live. What happened?
Yesterday when I was in the gold play, I saw a huge gap. Dixie. I was like, oh shit. And it formed while I was in the trade.
Hold on, my little one is crying. Daddy service. Alright, the wife's got her. My little one just fell. I was like, I hear someone crying. I was like, I hear crying. I know I'm not tripping.
Signal this morning, Thomas. He put it in the live chat, and it wasn't a signal. It was a continuation from the trade yesterday.
Well, no. From the signal room, that trade got stopped out. That's how that trade got stopped. It was where was the signal for today? If you just want signals, leave my community, yo. Where was the signal? Where was the signal? What are you, retarded? Shut up. I don't want your money for signals. I don't care. I don't. I'm sorry. If you think I give a shit, then you're sadly mistaken. I give signals, but I hate promoting them. I give them, but you're not going to learn nothing from signals. So if you're strictly just waiting for my signals, you're going to get burnt out. I'm sorry. I have pretty good trades, right? Don't let me just talk bad about them. I have amazing trades. But my risk is not your risk. And you need to keep this in mind. When you're following just by signals, you need to keep your risk in mind. And your risk should not be my risk. And this is where people get that wrong.
Look what happened, Scar. He walked away negative, came back to the money.
City View. Shut up. This guy, City View, keeps big drop. I mean, I see it, though, City View. I do see it. The VIX is buying up. But look at Microsoft. Look at your tech. Tech just keeps holding by supply. If we get one more big rejection at supply on your Mag 7, then I'll start seeing more shorts. But every buy gets sold off, and every sell off is getting bought up. There's a lot of manipulation right now, City View. I did. I put in the main chat room. I said, I'm buying right now. I said, it's not an official alert because I'm going to be driving all day. But I told you before I bought it. And I even kept you all updated. I kept posting my updates in the main chat room. I tagged everybody. So. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, Thomas Ander. I thought you were someone entirely different. This is a new guy. Hey, I'm over here yelling at the new guy. I'm sorry, Thomas. I'm just, Thomas knows now when he joined. But he goes, oh, dang, I'm not mad at you, Thomas. He goes, I'm new. Well, welcome to the community. I just like to speak with my heart, right? Because I don't want to point people in the wrong direction. There's a lot of misinformation and a lot of fuckery within this trading. And all they're going to do is try to sell you something. That's all someone's going to try to do on your misinformation. Just keep hanging out, and in repetition, you will learn. Because through experience, you gain experience, correct? Yeah, you can't see? What do you want? You want a tablet? You want a phone? What are you doing?
I've got like a 32-inch, and then I've got my screen, my laptop, but I'm not about to upgrade to a really nice, like, 55.
Well, my main screen is a 34-inch. I only have two 34s, and the others are 32s. I don't have that big of a screen. I have my main screen is from Skytech. This was like a $400. This is like the graphics here are crazy. Then I have a Samsung, like basic Samsungs. They're like nothing crazy. I forgot how much they cost. And then I have like a cheap ass LG, but I had that one for years. I only put it up because I had it. I don't really. Yo, big city view. As soon as you said big sell coming in, I just want you to keep in mind a big buy came in. Did you peep that? Anyone else peep that on YouTube? City view said big sell coming, and then it just bought up. It might sell here though. It might sell here though.
I would keep all channels on alert, bro. All channels.
Oh my God, there goes Microsoft. Microsoft is going. Come on, Nvidia. Keep going. All we need is Nvidia and Apple to continue in pushing and follow suit with what we're seeing. Bring me above that daily open. Bring us above the daily open. Give me it all. I want it all. But for me, this is why losses don't matter, because as long as you stay calm, you're chilling. As long as you're calm and you don't let it affect you, why are you getting so emotional? Because you're tying your self-worth to the trade you're currently in. You're tying your self-worth to the day you're in. I tie me and my system over a decade time. That's what's the difference between someone successful and non-successful. You're going to have bad days. You're going to have losing trades. What do you do in those moments? What do you do in those? All loss has been made back. And I'm out. Look, we came above the daily open. That's all I wanted. That's 5,600 secured. There's this guy on YouTube. He literally just said big sell now. Just wait. And then a big buy. That guy, he just became liquidity. I know he just became liquidity. Don't go against me, Bubs. You're going to learn the hard way. All right, so we're not down. All loss made back. I'm done trading for the day. It was pretty toxic price action. I will be honest, people. For YouTube, for me, this was pretty but look, our first entry, I did get some of the move that I wanted. I did see some profits based off of the VIX and the Mag 7. But the Mag 7 and the VIX were reacting weird because of Jolt's job opening. So, food for thought. We still came out on top. Now, I'm not going to sit here and continuously make trades. I made my money. If I'm going to come and take another trade, when would I come back? The Discord knows. When would I come back? I have to try my best not to work out today. I'm drinking pre-workout. So, I'm going to try to sweat a little bit. Not boxing, because my swings hurt, bro. My wrists hurt too, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I'm trying, bro. I'm doing it all. I'm trying to do it all. I'm really trying to lose like 20 pounds on. I was looking at one. We were in Costco the other day. They had it right there, but I had so much other shit I wouldn't have been able to fit it in my trunk. I like to shut shit up. I don't even look at directions.
Not that.
They'll fuck it up.
It's so annoying.
I mean, I used to install saunas back in the day.
Oh, well then.
So I used to work on many labor jobs, guys. I did roofing, siding, masonry work, landscaping. I did specifically, yeah, I did bricklaying. I did bricklaying at the cemetery. I learned that at the cemetery. I've worked for commercial roofing, Hayden building maintenance. I've worked for flooring. I've worked everywhere.
Most labor-intensive job.
Labor and like hard work where I hate my life.
Labor job, yeah.
I would say roofing. That shit sucked.
The roofing. Well, I mean, I guess you're using machinery when you're digging those holes.
Not well, digging though. Like when I first started as a grave digger, that shit sucked, bro. I used to dig holes by hand. But then, yeah, bro. When you're on a grave site and there's a million other graves near you, you can't get a machine. You can't get a backhoe in there and start digging. You can't. It's impossible. So it's you and two other people just rotate. As soon as your hands start bleeding, the next guy jumps in. And that used to be my life. I swear to God. I swear to God. But after like a year, like I used to like live there too. That was my favorite job, grave digging. There was only two other people that were trained on the backhoes and shit like that, so they trained me on it. I first learned on the little digger to get in the low spots, and I was really good at it. I love excavators. You know, that was my favorite job. Grave digging, it was my most favorite job. My most.
You get that job? Why?
Bro, on Indeed, bro. On Indeed, bro. What the fuck? I applied on Indeed. I used to have to go to these life skill classes from the halfway house that I lived at. The halfway house that I lived at, because I was in a mental institution at 18 years of age, and they had to integrate me back into life. I'm not lying. This is real shit. And that was one of the things. I had to go to like a class, and in that class they teach you life skills, and life skills was how to apply for jobs on Indeed and other. So like, I felt, yeah, bro, that was my favorite job, because like if I wasn't digging a hole by hand or with a backhoe, I was smoking blunts around the cemetery, cleaning, and like I felt like I had purpose too, right? I felt because like either the families would look at you like they're gonna kill you when you're dropping the casket down, or they're like hugging you and saying thank you, and I was like, wow, man, that's pretty cool. And you get tips. If you didn't know, you get tips in the future. My first day digging graves, I got it was for an Asian family. I got a thing called Lucky Money. And that goes, and you get lucky. Anyone who works on the process of the burial gets a red envelope. And in the envelope, bro, was like a $50, $100 tip. My first day on the job, I was like, no way, dude. This is sick. Bought myself an eighth of weed. You know what I'm saying? Bought a pack of cigarettes, some lunch. I was like, I don't even gotta touch my paycheck, and I got some weed. Who wants to smoke with your boy? Who wants to smoke with your boy? I hit up everybody like I was El Chapo, son. I got it. I didn't have nothing but tip money. I didn't have nothing but tip money. But it just gives you guys a little perspective of placement and where I was. You can get to this level. But people think that it's people who work in death, and then with like the elderly, and then with the young. There's studies that they have different perspectives on life, right? And I think it's because as in trading with money, you know, you're supposed to become desensitized to the process. When I was digging, and I've buried thousands of people, I became desensitized to the process of funerals and the process of death. You go to 100, 300, 1,000 funerals, you hear the same case scenario, and then you go back to work the next day to the person you just buried, and no one's there. No one's there. It's like the reality of death sets in, right? It sets in. It's like, well, it's really done. It kind of makes you appreciate the now, right? And it's within trading, Most people are digging their own grave and they're not even realizing. Subconsciously, you get stuck within these rituals and these paths and these ways. Yeah, you need to become aware of what you're doing, and awareness is a superpower. It might be dressed up as anxiety. That's your superpower. You just need to be aware of this, because once you're aware and you continuously do the same things, you're fucking insane. We already know this. You're insane. So once you know this, you need to act on this. Then your life will change. It's just hard right now because you're not in control of you. And life's not going to help that. Go on Instagram right now. And what is your feed showing you? Is it motivating you? Is it making you laugh, making you cry? Is it making you emotional in any sort of way? Control your emotions, your mindset. Everything else will follow suit. But all right, everybody, my live trading day is done. I sold my long term. I sold our swing short. We made 13,000. We lost the trade, and then we made it all back. I'm done. My day is done. I'm not looking at it. I'm not Amando. Hell yeah, man. If you continue to hold, it did what we wanted it to do. But anywho, everybody, have a good day. YouTube, thanks for listening and watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. I got to remember to say that now, right? Now I'm a YouTube streamer. Like, share, subscribe. Damn, I feel like I'm selling my soul. This don't feel right. This don't feel right. All right, everybody. YouTube, the stream is ended. All right, Discord.